Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we doing a wig application. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love for y'all to come and join the family. If you're not new, welcome back. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the video today. As y'all can see, I got my wig propped up right here on my ugly mannequin head. I tried to do some makeup on her and I used the wrong products. I think I was supposed to use like cream products, but I used liquid, so I beat her face up, and not in a good way. But I got my wig, my units, shall I say, to be more professional. Since y'all like for people to be professional. Okay, so I got my unit right here. It's a 26-inch water curly. It's so pretty. I love her. I ain't named it yet, but yeah, this is what we're applying. I already did my ball cap. I did the color on this wig. Of course, it was natural brown when I got it, but I did a custom color, and it is pumpkin. I think I used pumpkin and honey or something like that. So it's basically like this. You can see the little more so pumpkin highlights at the top, and then it fades into more like the honey blonde towards the bottom. I really like this wig. This is one of my favorite wigs right now. That's why I keep wearing it. So yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna need my mirror. Okay, so for glue, I hardly do this, but I'm going in with Ghost Bond glue today. I don't know why, like I just want a super duper like melted lace, I should say. Okay, so it was some pieces that wasn't stuck all the way down, so I had to go back in and add more glue. Now, for some reason, I just cannot find my spray bottle with my water in it. And pay no attention to these nails either. Okay, so this side, it wasn't stuck all the way down. It keep lifting up, so I gotta glue that part down again. And what you see laying down is just my baby hair. I'm gonna go ahead and swoop those up. Go ahead and swoop them up. And then that's gonna complete the look. Oh, this is a headband that I ordered from Shein. I actually ordered 2 of them. I have a gold one that I wore the other day, and it's real pretty. And I have this one today, like it's real cute, super duper cute. So yeah, I'll probably end up wearing that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs. I am not the best at laying baby hairs at all. I barely like doing them. So we're gonna do some baby hairs. We gonna call them something, and then I'll complete this video. All right, y'all, so that completes this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm not the best at baby hairs, but I did try my best. I really tried my best with the baby hair. Like I told y'all, I'm not good at it at all, but this is how everything came out. I've really been into these little headbands and stuff lately, and like I said, I did get this from Shein, and this is Water Curly. This is hair that I sell. Let me stand up so y'all can see. All right, y'all, so that completes this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the button, hit the like button, because that really does help my videos show up on the, I guess, discover page, kind of, sort of. So y'all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And yeah, go ahead and join the fam, and I'll see y'all again in my next video. Bye.